everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can change the Instagram name without waiting for the 14 days. So just you need to be on the profile of the Instagram. Once you're on the profile of the Instagram, then you can see the edit profile option, tap on it, and then you can see your username, tap on it, and here it is notified that you'll be able to change your username back to this user for another 14 days. That means if you have twice set up your username, then next time if you want to change your Instagram name, then only after the 14 days you can be able to change the Instagram name. But for now, if you don't want to wait for the 14 days, then you need to go back to the profile, and on the top right corner you can see the three-line icon, tap on it, and you need to tap on the setting and privacy option. After that, scroll down and you're gonna find the help option, tap on it and tap on report a problem. Here you'll be guided to this page where you can tap on report problem. After that, tap on include and continue. Here you can briefly explain what happened or what's not working, and you can also write your words about why you really want to change the Instagram without waiting for the 14 days. You can tell your reason here and upload the attachment from the upload and submit the report, and hopefully you'll be able to change the Instagram name without waiting for the 14 days. So if you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you have any queries related to any problem, then you can without hesitation just comment on the comment section so that we can help you out from that. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you.